Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great week so far and are ready to dive into another Krita video today. Today we'll be heading into some basic photo editing, where I'll show you where to find some really cool settings as well as some simple things that you can do to make your photos pop a bit. First off, you want to bring in any reference art or photos using the pin icon in the toolbar. Then press the plus symbol on the top right to then choose a chosen saved file to bring in. As you can see here, I have two Spider-Verse images and two other images, an amazing photo of the cathedral and a stylized image of the same photo. Whilst we're here, I'll give a shout out to Matt Feeney for letting me use their amazing photos of the Lincoln Cathedral. The photo we'll be editing is this snow scene of the Lincoln Cathedral. If you wish to bring in a file to Krita, you can use the file layer. Once you have chosen your image, you can then lock this and keep it safe and hidden, and then duplicate that and convert that image to a paint layer, so you can then have an editable version of that image. Another way to edit the image is to create masks or other layer types above the image and use blending modes to affect what is underneath it. As you can see here, you can't affect the file layer until it has been converted to a paint layer. Once that is done, you can then have some fun playing around with some effects from the filter drop down menu at the top of the screen. I hope you guys have some fun playing around with these. Feel free to use this time to just play around with the filter settings yourself and also have a look to see what they can do on screen. In the next episode, I'll be turning this snow scene into a night scene in the style of Into and Across the Spider-Verse, using the images on the right hand side as reference to get it to look how I want it to. So I'll be seeing you in that episode. I hope you guys have fun testing out different options, and I'll see you in the next episode in this 10-part mini-series on the basics of art and animation in Krita.